We're going to give you an update on the mold issue, and we're going to tell you about our little restoration project that we did. So first, the mold. Guys, it has been so much worse than we ever thought. The quotes that we have been getting back are totaling almost $40,000 at this point for the building's responsibility, and between 10 and 20,000 on our side of the wall. So this is like just out of control at this point. This is not only an issue because we can't live in the mold, but it also means that we're gonna have to spend a lot of time ripping out things, putting everything back together, and that means that we're going to end up paying the mortgage and renting this place for longer, which is also really expensive. So not to give you too much of an anxiety attack, but we're just rolling with the punches. We're trying to leave no rock unturned. The good news for this week, we uncovered
some tiles. Yeah.
Some like original tiles. Or maybe the last 17 times that there was a person in there, they had covered it over with paint, so it was like purple at one point, and red, and like off-white, and white, and black, and all of these colors. So we stripped off all the paint and we got down to the original tiles, which are this like 1925 motif of mosaic little tiles.
So outside of our door was
exposed
and naked and natural, and then you come into our door and it was completely like white.
So it was so
like
ugly.
It
wasn't even white. What did we call it? Cloudy with a chance of poop? There were like splotches.
It was, yeah, like you could just tell there was a lot of layers there.
So gross.
And as soon as like we applied the material that like kind of like loosened up the paint, and we saw like there was like this huge chunk of red. I mean, it was like they must have like painted along the edge to make like a red border around it, like, you know, somebody's fancy a few years ago. But we're down to like the original tile.
And you know, we were thinking of doing like a marble tile at the bottom of the stairs, but now that we see those kind of older colors, we might do something that's a little bit bolder to mimic what's at the top of the
I'm
stairs.
kind of glad, like I wanted to do something with a little bit more color
than
just like, you know, a cloudy white like with black in it. Like I think it would be more interesting to have some more color there.
Like if we have an entrance, we should make an entrance.
Yeah, make an entrance.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. So if you have recommendations for like historical tile, let us know, and we will keep you posted on what goes on. Unfortunately, I think we're going to be in a bit of a standstill for a little while, so you know, send us some good vibes, and we'll be here, and we'll be drinking a lot of wine. Cheers.
Cheers.